what I'm gonna do is, you know, you gotta use them. Look, man, if you ain't in the gym, look, you ain't in the gym.
Oh, man.
Go old school. You ain't in the gym, you gotta get in the gym, player.
What your grandma always say, use that elbow grease. You know what I mean? Always.
Why so serious? Alright, guys, so focus. Alright, here we go. Alright. Look at them traps. Alright, come on, man. Oh, look at them traps. So yeah, I just came from the gym, guys. So man, matter of fact, I need to drink me some chocolate milk. Didn't know I know a little bit of Spanish. What's this? But nevertheless, we are going to do something that has never been done that I've been told from Tire Stickers. So I have a new design, like I said before, that they just done when they did my tire stickers, because it's mandatory that you dress out those tire stickers, because my guy put his link in the description, Mr. Michael Knight, Mr. Fuush himself. His link will be in the description. He has tire stickers on this 300S Chrysler, so he actually motivated me to get some tire stickers, because I was like, So nevertheless, let me go ahead. It look like I have a dead battery, so nevertheless, let me change this battery. Alright guys, so just like that, battery has been changed. But nevertheless, here we go. So originally I was supposed to do tire stickers, I think before, no, it was supposed to be the same time that I was putting the bag. So tire stickers, they've just been, for whatever reason, they've just been busy. I guess COVID doesn't matter, I guess, for cars, which is cool, you know, because the Instagram has been, not the Instagram. What's crazy is your YouTube can go up, but your Instagram followers is just like, But nevertheless, I'm not complaining. So you seen the last video, I messed up that mod, so I had to reorder the second part of, not the second part, but the first part again. So I just placed that order, so I'll have to redo that mod again. But Demon Eyes is on deck, along with the flag, with the Dodge double stripe. We're gonna get into that later, but let me get, so we have this little bottle of, alright guys, so as you see, it is now nighttime. I got the lights on, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna call it a night for the first time. I just finished the first time. I didn't realize I had so many letters. Like, let me just show you. So it's done. I didn't rip off the, cause it's like a 2-layer film. And I guess when you take off the top layer, I don't know if it's supposed to come out, because it came off on one of them. But let me go ahead and put it on the back tire so you guys can actually see. So alright guys, so don't laugh at my shoes, man. I know y'all laughing at my shoes. Stop laughing at my shoes. These are work shoes. But anyway, what's so serious? But this, that looks kind of dope. Ooh. Oh. 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 That looked dope. Wow. That looked dope, y'all. Serious Mindset. Why so serious? You see the Thunderbolt and the gear. If you look, subscribe to my Instagram channel. Subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. All right, guys. So boom, just like that, we are on the next day. It is nice and beautiful outside. So nevertheless, phone is going off again, as it always does. But here we go. So this is the tire from last night, and then on the other side is the same exact thing. Show you guys. I've been putting in that work. So I decided to put on the camera, and you see. So man, that looks so dope. Whew. All right, guys. So look, check this out. So you see, I'm still gloved up. So I finished the last tire, or second to last tire, and then I got a special guest. that popped up on me. You know, my guy. He came to check out the shoes. Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. Nevertheless.
Why so serious? I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Go ahead. Go.
How you spell it, however you want to spell it. You know how you do it.
But the most important thing is what? Don't forget what?
The serious mindset?
No.
What?
See, he doesn't watch the video.
What?
The most important thing is drop a fire
okay.
emoji right after watching
Mandatory.
Serious. I greatly appreciate
Drop
it.
that motherfucker anywhere too. I'm cussing, but you know I gotta stop that.
Hey, look, you know I ain't gonna blur it out because you know I already look. So I do the no. It's not for kids. It's not for kids.
Not for kids. Yeah,
you feel me?
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
So look, go ahead and give your intro. You know I like that intro, man. Go and get an intro, man. I like.
It's your boy Fuush, nigga, man. Make sure you follow my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Car Reviews Fuush across the boards as far as Instagram and YouTube. Follow me on Snapchat. A lot of people don't be on Snapchat, but I'm on Snapchat. The Cake Man 78 Heavy. Come follow me. I post on there and I put
Cake Man 78.
Man, I'm trying to get the cake. I'm trying to get the paper. That's what it's all about, man. I'm trying to be free. I'm trying to be free. It's about being free.
He sound like he's struggling again. I'm trying to be free.
All right, bro, listen, they got the shackles on you, guy. I'm trying to be free. That's why I'm over here trying to learn something from my guy. You know, fire emojis, all that, man. Bring some of that love over to my channel. Car Reviews Fuush. I do the same for him. You know what I mean? When I hop on, I got the big body camera in there too. Don't get him misconstrued.
Link will be in the description, mind you. So I always put everybody that's featured in my videos. Link will be in the description, but more than likely his link gonna constantly be in the description because it's gonna be constant shout outs throughout this whole deal. Because at the end of the day, it's about growing, it's about motivating, and it's also about uplifting individuals. And you know, one thing that he helped me with on this tire, and I probably would have still been doing it, is he told me, man, why don't you just go ahead and put it all on the glue? Because I was going halfway. Yeah. So what I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna break down the cleaning of the tire and also my method and also what Fuush showed me on this last tire. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Yeah.
I really think if you get enough amount of glue on there, and I'm not talking about the dripping wet type glue, but if you get enough glue on there and put an amount of pressure and don't try to mess with it, just move on to the next piece, it's gonna dry fine.
Right.
You know what I mean? I don't think you gotta stave the tire down to where it's fine, because I've had mine on for about 5-6 months.
Sheesh.
No issue, you know what I
Hey,
mean?
that Michael Knight is a killer, man. Look how wet that paint is. So wait, you telling me you didn't wash this joker, huh?
I wash it with water.
Oh my God! So okay, so break this down to me. How do you wash your tire stickers?
So when they need to be, like right now they still look whitish, right?
Right. Oh.
So what I do is I went to the dollar store, got a toothbrush that's the soft kind.
Okay.
So when I make my bucket of water, soap water, it's time consuming.
Right.
I grab my soap, scrub this motherfucker down, scrub it down. And you know, but I don't have to do it that often because they stay clean. Like I haven't done this, I haven't cleaned the things in 2 weeks.
2 weeks? I mean? That's 2 weeks?
See?
Oh yeah, you got a little bit.
Just a little bit, but I don't care about it because you said Dawson was like, "How you keep yours so white?" And you said Dawson's his shit be black.
Shout out to El Dacio. Yeah. Link will be in the description as well for his channel.
Burnouts, man. That's how your shit getting black as
burnouts. You know yeah, he's like the burnout Prince King, whatever. Big perm, big worm.
Yeah, he got 6'4". It's a wrap.
So yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. But check how many white lettering he got opposed to how many I got. Now mind you, mine's kind of look like Lightning McQueen from the cartoon Cars though on the cool. Yeah. But that's dope though.
Ain't that funny with cars. On top of these tires.
Ooh.
Don't give
them too much. Don't give them too much, player. Don't give them too much, player. Man. You know they're gonna have to subscribe. I mean, follow the Instagram because you know what I do on the Instagram.
You drop the picture first or whatever you doing first.
The pictures are all what I do on my Instagram. Yeah. Dope shots. That's all I stand for is dope shots. Look, I gotta show them the method to my madness on how I clean the cars though, because
I would like to see that.
Because you would think that I actually had put a what is it, wax? That's not a wax.
Oh, like a spray detailer?
Yeah. I didn't do none of that. So it's crazy. It's crazy. And the truck been sitting for over a minute. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get to the video because we over rambling. See, that's what I'm saying, man. Good company is good company, right?
Yeah,
golly. What I'm gonna do is, you know, you gotta use them. Look, man, if you ain't in the gym, you ain't in the gym.
Oh, man.
Go old school. You ain't in the gym, gotta get in the gym, player.
What your grandma always say, use that elbow grease. You know what I mean? Always clean that goddamn tail, use the elbow grease.
Hey,
you done lost a spider, my guy.
Oh, so look, let me tell y'all the story. So
probably in the acetone.
So I'm drinking water. I'm like, and you know how your peripherals be, right?
So
I'm like this. I see a little black dot. I said, man, I know I ain't got no mole. Man, I see this little thing right there with like 8 little fingers. Yeah. I'm like, So automatically, you know what I thought, right?
About to die.
I had magic power. I thought I was gonna die, but then I was thinking like I was gonna be like Spider-Man.
All right. Nah.
I don't know, because I feel like I'm already superhuman, so
Right,
I thought I
of
was
course.
going to just be Spider-Man.
Did it work
but
out?
Nevertheless, the first thing I did was I called my wife, and I said, baby, if I go, the spider done me like that. And then I took a picture of it.
Got to. It's like a human, man. What hit me?
All right, so now this is my method. So if you guys are sleeping on atoms, then y'all need to get y'all life right. So what I'm gonna do is you probably want to bag back, bro.
Bag it.
Shit. You know what I mean? You gotta do it like how the hood people be shooting the pistol.
All backwards. Just keep that thing mandatory spray.
So you see how much the water just sits on the tire?
Yeah, just beat it up on there. Yeah.
Right. So that lets you know that you have so much of the tire shine on there.
Yeah.
So if you guys remember, I have ceramic coated my rims. So what I want to do is I want to avoid putting it
on the rim. Yeah.
On the rim, because I don't know how heavy this degreaser is that's on there. And I take my brush and then I smooth it away. And then I come just a little bit. Now you see that water that's sitting there?
Mm-hmm.
So what I like to do is
Get the excess off?
Yeah. You know, I do a little extra because I feel like if you go a little extra, it makes or breaks your tire stickers, because just like Doss, you know, of course he does burnouts, but it should be able to stick on if you're using the cement, right?
Right. The cement glue is man, that's some good shit, man.
Right.
Now if the cement glue ain't working, man, I don't know what's wrong with your tires, but you got some extra shit you put on your tires, man, if it ain't sticking.
Right. Watch your feet, bro. So I do this, and as you see, it really didn't do anything to it, right? You see that water still sitting on?
Bit, yep.
Alright, so I'm done with the water. I just wanted to give it a little wash. The all-purpose cleaner.
Yeah.
Now this let me tell you something, Brody. This right here will knock your muffin cap back blue.
Really?
I'm telling you. If you need to get this is a heavy duty degreaser. Now, you see how lime it is? It can't glow in the dark.
Really?
For real. Like you ever just had like
that's that shit that Superman and that mutant type shit. The mutagen. Yeah.
That mutant P.
Yeah.
So look. So I go light again. See that? Look at that.
Oh, look at this.
So y'all gonna see, you see how it kind of got a little bit, you see how the tire kind of dry up a little bit? So it got some of the actual wheel tire shine, right? So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm not trying to go crazy on it because I don't want to get it on my rim.
Oh, look at that shit. Yeah, I can already tell it's sticking more.
Yeah.
Already.
So I'm rubbing that in there. So mind you, I still got to go over with acetone. And you see I'm picking up the back of the towel so it don't drag.
It's not dragging over here. It's still a lot easier going and paying somebody $200 to put the tire stickers on.
Man, maybe.
You know what I mean? I'd rather do it myself.
Hey, we big on doing
on DIY, yeah, for sure.
Dry.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's what you want right there. That's not even fair. We still gotta do acetone.
Still gotta do
the difference.
acetone.
You can tell the difference. You're starting to see the tire a little bit more, how they naturally come.
Right.
When you buy them, that's how it's starting to look like right now.
And then the towel can also let you know how dirty it is too, how much of it.
Seeing how much you still got. When that thing wipes with nothing on there, that's when you know you're good.
This is like,
you can either use this or what I did when I didn't buy the acetone. I mean I did, but it's the same thing as nail polish remover. Same thing.
Yeah,
that's what I use. Yeah.
The wifey was like, I got some nail polish.
Yeah. Dollar at the dollar store, man. I just bought 2 of those little things, man. Got me through it.
But the nail polish is a little diluted, huh?
Shit, look, them got them tire stickers look like they diluted too.
Nah,
good.
Man, that thing, man, your tires are wet too, man.
Bro, listen,
man,
you didn't buy the tire stickers, tire shine?
Of course.
Oh, of course. Then yours don't look wet.
I'm about the top of the line.
Right, because you cannot put regular tire shine on these tire stickers. It'll break the rubber down. You know what I mean, and start peeling off the tire. So you have to buy what they use, which is a water-based tire shine.
The directions that they give you says go over like 10 times, but I'm pretty confident in my method because I use a lot of different degreasers and like removers and stuff that already has some heavy chemicals. Needless to say, I'm not saying acetone doesn't get it, but I don't know. Pick your poison.
Everybody's different. Like even with mine, I used the nail polish remover. I went over my tires like maximum 3 times. I didn't do it 10 times.
But here's the thing though. Before the last time I put some tire shine, I already had cleaned the. Watch out for that. It be spiders on that.
Boy, I thought you saw one. Oh, boy, I'm gonna drop the camera.
Spider. Oh, don't drop the camera, bro.
Man, well, we do not play with spider. I'll pick up. I'll do snakes all day long.
On that, man. Look, I'm just letting you know. I'm gonna look out for you. I don't want
man.
you to be like, oh.
I could do snakes and stuff. I had pet snakes, but I can't mess with them spiders,
and
bro.
then your wife come after me like, what you do to my baby? Yeah, you gotta work. I'm over here sweating like a.
Yeah, I'm sweating just sitting here, man. It got them Washington weather. They told me it was gonna rain. Ain't no rain. It's 75 degrees and no rain.
Oh, look, it's sitting in the clouds, though.
Yeah, it's sitting in the clouds. You know, look at that plane just went right into the damn clouds. It's gone now.
That's dope.
Decreased that bitch twice. Not with just acetone, so you did do the extra step.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you straight. You straight.
What I like to do is I like to lay out my stuff. So I know my all season, it sticks out. So I don't want my all season to show. So what I like to do is I'm gonna cover it up with the actual.
So the all season, where's it at?
Yeah, so all season is right there. So it's kind of.
So you want to cover that
yeah,
up,
so I cover it up. So most people, like you said, was sandy, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I'm not gonna even sand it. I'm just gonna go
cover it. Yeah.
Did you at least cut these little stubs off?
Nope. Nope, didn't do shit.
So I did that for all mine.
Oh yeah, I didn't do that. I don't know if I had too much of that sticking. I probably did, but man, I glued them bitches down.
Really?
I ain't fuck with them things.
All right, so I'm gonna take your. Hey, look. So if this is the what tire is this? This is the left side. So if my left tire is messed up, you gonna know why. Fusio El Ducio.
He's straight. Trust me, he's straight. Them goddamn little pointy things ain't gonna mess with that goddamn glue.
Them funny things.
They ain't gonna mess
man, don't talk about my thunderbolts, man.
Man, them things straight, man. Them bolts, right? Electrify the goddamn needles. So
live and you move on. All right, so thunderbolt got to be moved because that mine. Oh my god.
oh, now the E?
Bro, they. Oh my god.
Oh, the E?
Ah.
Oh, you guys are seeing what YouTubers go through when it's DIY. For real. Ain't nothing perfect. Never.
Oh,
never
bless.
perfect, man.
I come down.
Hold it in place.
Yeah, I hold it in place because the wind kind of picks up and tosses this thing like a $5 penny.
Yeah.
I can't say.
I think they figure when they go off how many letters. Mine wasn't that big.
This is the last.
Mine's a little bit smaller than
This is
that.
the last tire,
And you still got half a bottle down there.
I still have glue. Well, I don't use that much either.
I don't either. Yeah, I didn't
I
either.
don't know if that's gonna be my make or break though.
Yeah, a lot of people use too much glue and they run out of glue. Then they got to run to the store and buy some cement glue.
Oh, really?
Yes, the tire stickers talk about on their website like, man, this is how you don't run out of glue.
So then, once I put it on, I hold it down.
A good amount of pressure on that thing.
Yeah, I put so they said about 30 seconds of pressure, but I go about 40 seconds. You know, I always go a little bit extra because you never know. Right out.
Yeah, so you can either go that way, but I mean, you want to be different though. Man, this is what's gonna set it apart, and nobody has this shit. It's the first time.
Yeah.
A tire sticker. Ain't nobody ever did this.
Did I wipe that with acetone?
What?
Oh my God.
Woo! Oh, he got it. He got it.
Let's see. Don't have to be like that, cause it ain't no more moving. Cut the camera.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's this?